Hi, I'm Georgie Borod, and I'm here at the ARTA convention, and I'm here with John Staley from Triton Timeshare Software. John, can you tell us a little bit about the evolution of your company?
We started out of our garage about 14 years ago. On my background, I worked for Ross Perot at EDS for 5 years and got a CS degree. And I met my wife, Delana, and she has a marketing background and she has a business background. And between us, we gelled together and started with a small HOA out on Lido Beach and grew to 140 plus resorts now and 25 different sales centers we run.
So tell me a little bit about the software company. What kind of services do you provide?
We provide pretty much a whole range of services inside the room. I mean, people need inside this room. We have a sales and marketing piece, takes care of all the leads, and then we go into the tours. We track the OPC payroll, and then we do contracts. Servicing on mortgages is a new thing we started this year because of the way the market has changed. And then we do have a collection system, and that's one set of products on the developer sales. And we have another set of products that have to do with the front desk, the reservations, the online type activity, and maintaining your resort.
Now, what would you say differentiates you from other software companies?
Honestly, it's our personality. Delaney and I have always believed every client that we do business with should have our cell numbers. If there's any kind of communication breakdown, we are on top of it immediately. I think our service by far exceeds anything on this floor.
So are you doing something, you talking about the floor, and here we are at ARTA. What are some of the special things that you're doing at ARTA this year?
Well, we do a host of things. ARTA provides us a package, and we really enjoy our affiliation. And what we do is we sponsor the golf tournament, and I mean that's on Sunday. And then we have the Wi-Fi areas. We like to provide Wi-Fi to everybody here, so we have one on the outside and one back there. And this year we did something special with the Going Green survey that was put together, and the survey tools that are being used. And it's kind of appropriate because I think today is St. Patty's Day, so those are three of the things that we're doing this time. It
sounds like you've got your hands full. I noticed that everybody is walking around with a little blue flag too. What's that about?
Well, we have a lot of fun. We started we call it the Pennant Program, and we started about 5 years ago. And Delana and I, we look for creative ways to get the brand out. Because ARTA, you can try to sell software on the floor, but the really thing you need to do is promote your brand and then do the sales on the following weeks and the connections you make during it. So the Pennant Program, everybody who holds it gets a number, and every time we see them holding the pennant up in the air anywhere, we drop an extra drop into the drawing, and we draw it out for a TV at the end of the show.
Well, I hope you remember number 9, because I've been flashing my pennant quite a bit.
Well, we love you for it, and thank you very much for helping us promote our brand.
Let me ask you one more thing. What do you see ahead for Triton in the next few years? How do you see that you might be going through any changes or growth?
We're going through some dramatic changes at Triton. First of all, we moved a lot to the .NET platform, and we moved into the SQL database, which is going to be finished up here come May. And then with that, we have a lot of online tools or different API type ways to communicate with our clients. And we're also creating a centralized reservation system that will be online. So those are probably our big push over the next 6 to 9 months that you'll be seeing press releases for.
Now, you are a vendor to the industry, so you have a particularly good perspective on how things are evolving in industry. Do you have any major predictions for what might be going on in the industry in the next few years, particularly as it applies to software?
Well, what we're seeing is you had a lot of sticks and bricks built out there that need to be sold. And whether they were built for the timeshare or built as condos or whatsoever, you got developers that are pushing into this industry to get that product moved. So what it creates is you have some whole-owned condos mixed in with fractional type products, mixed in with timeshare, mixed in with just the base hotel. And so with that, it's a multi-use type platform on a lot of our new deals. So luckily we thought ahead, and we have this multi-leveled reservation system that handles one property, many different business models.
So you see that as the industry evolves to that you'll be able to handle that.
Absolutely. No, I think we're far ahead of our competitors in that area. They got what's called a single line record type system, and they can't adapt as quickly as our product is a fundamental design that we started with in the beginning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Georgie.